Yeah, you might need to narrow it down a bit.
Okay, how's this? His name
Believers Radio.
was Bill Noakes.
Hey yo, welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, to Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So, guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this hard trap drum kit 2021. It's all about the vibes in it. So yeah, so we bring the vibes in here. So the 808s, the claps, the hats, the kicks, the midis, the percussion, the snares, they'll bring up the vibe in here, bro. So let's go ahead and check out what this fire drum kit has in store for us. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI called Loverboy without wasting any more time here. Yep. But before we do that, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, man. So let's go ahead and hear what this drum kit has in store for us. So I believe I kind of loaded up that MIDI. So let's go ahead and just have a listen. Let's hear how it sounds. Second MIDI called Sniper. The last one called Ties. That's it, bro. That's it for the sauce, man. So not so many midis, but enough to actually inspire you just a little bit. And you can actually go as far as, you know, tweaking the midis if you don't like what you're hearing. So I hope these midis actually help you and actually, you know, do something. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna start off here from the 808. The claps. The hats. The kicks. The percussion. The snares. That's it, bro. That's it for the sauce, bro. So I hope this drum kit actually, you know, helps you a lot and actually changes your production process and your beats as well. So yeah, that's it, man. So before I actually wrap it up, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number. You know the drill. And yeah, we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye. Namaste.